Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device and OS version so you get a compatible blocker. Once done, decide whether you want a browser extension for quick setup, a system app for wider coverage, or a DNS-level filter for network control. You should back up bookmarks and passwords and close the browser to avoid conflicts. Now open your chosen store or extension catalog, search the blocker name, and inspect permissions. This shows why it needs access and helps you pick a reputable option. You install from the official store and confirm the developer and review history to reduce risk. Next, enable the default filter lists for ads and trackers. These provide broad coverage immediately. Then add supplemental lists, malware, regional ad lists, or privacy lists for more robust blocking. Make sure to whitelist sites you want to support and adjust cosmetic filtering so pages render correctly. If you use multiple devices, sync settings, if available, to keep rules consistent across your setup. You finish by testing a variety of sites to confirm ads are blocked and pages still function. If changes don't appear, make sure to clear the browser cache and reload. Many issues are cached resources. If conflicts persist, temporarily disable other extensions or apps that inject scripts and verify DNS settings when using network-level filters. As a final troubleshooting tip, check the blocker's logs or enable developer mode to see blocked requests. Reset to defaults only if logs don't reveal the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.